क्या नेशनल अवार्ड आने वाला है इस बार?
I'll be surprised if he doesn't get it.
श्रीकांत स्कोर 98% इन 12th. आपका कितना 12th में?
98 के आसपास ही था, बस 63 कुछ होता है का एक डायलॉग है जिसको मैं बहुत रिलेट करता हूँ.
tan square theta plus 1 equals to
Sex
square theta.
Full
Some serious
Christopher Nolan happening here.
if not him, who would have done justice to this role?
No one.
But I would have loved to see how an Irfan sir or a Manoj sir what kind of take they would have on a character like this.
Hello and welcome. You are watching Business Today Television. I am ऋषि पाठक और आज हमारे साथ बड़े ही स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद हैं क्योंकि वो एक बड़ी ही स्पेशल फिल्म लेके आ रहे हैं. फिल्म का नाम है श्रीकांत और वो 10 मई को रिलीज हो रही है. प्लीज वेलकम द लेजेंडरी एक्टर राजकुमार राव
Thank you.
and the producer of the film, Miss Nidhi Hiranandani.
Thank you.
First of all, welcome.
Thank you so much.
And let me tell you, congratulations, a big congratulations, because I remember when I saw the trailer, I quickly opened my Twitter account. मैंने उस पर tweet किया. I don't remember when was the last time I cried while watching a movie
Oh,
trailer.
so sweet.
So,
Thank you.
Thank you.
और ये हर किसी का रिएक्शन है, not only mine.
जी, जी.
हर किसी का रिएक्शन मैं ट्विटर पे देख रहा हूँ, किसी को गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं, तो वाओ, लेजेंडरी. Heads off
Thank
to
you.
Tushar, heads off to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so Rajkumar, what a insane lineup you have this year.
Uh,
Shrikant, Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, Stree 2, and then
Vicky
Vicky
Vidya
Vidya
का
का
वो
वो
वाला.
वाला video.
yeah.
So how does it feel कि 4 फिल्में रिलीज हो रही हैं? Are you
हाँ.
excited या फिर nervous हो कि 4 फिल्में रिलीज हो रही हैं?
And yeah, of course, I'm excited because they are all really good films, films that I'm super proud of, and because also they are so different from one another, and that's exactly
Definitely.
how I want to be known as an actor. Somebody who's not, you cannot put me in a compartment and say, okay, this is the genre, these are the kind of films Raj does. I want to do everything. I want to do everything possible, under the lens. So these are all, as I said, films that I'm looking forward to now.
Great. So I want to understand from you, राजकुमार राव. Imagine हम कर सकते हैं इस कैरेक्टर में क्योंकि एक
बिल्कुल.
अनबिलीवेबल एक्टर है.
Yes.
लेकिन फर्स्ट नेम दैट कम्स इन माय माइंड एज एन ऑडियंस, आयुष्मान खुराना, क्योंकि उनको हमने
Really?
अंदाज़ुन में देखा है प्लेइंग सिमिलर कैरेक्टर.
In fact, because of that, we would not think of him at all.
Okay. So were you happy with the casting because you're the producer of the film?
Happy? He was the only name. Ecstatic. I
Okay.
knew that only he can pull this off.
Was it mutually decided between you, Tushar, and you?
Everybody, Bhushan ji, me, Tushar, writers,
Okay.
unanimously, it was Raj from the word go. There was no other name.
Okay, great. In the trailer, Rajkumar, we saw that Shrikant's wife and her teacher is supporting her. आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में कौन था जिन्होंने आपको थ्रू आउट सपोर्ट किया टू बी एन एक्टर एंड डू ग्रेट?
कुछ होता है का एक डायलॉग है जिससे मैं बहुत रिलेट करता हूँ कि एक आदमी का सर 3 औरतों के सामने झुकता है.
Yes.
अपनी माँ, दुर्गा माँ और यही 3 है जो मेरी जिंदगी में सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. मेरी माँ, पत्रलेखा एंड दुर्गा माँ.
नोट ले लो क्योंकि शाहरुख खान की फैन ये भी है, शाहरुख खान का फैन मैं भी हूँ बहुत बड़ा. तो मैन आपका भी कि आपकी लाइफ में कौन था जिसने थ्रू आउट सपोर्ट किया एंड
मेरी लाइफ में मैं
women empowerment?
throughout support किया, meaning I've just been lucky that I've had various mentors, पर ऐसा कोई जब से शादी हुई है तब से तुषार सपोर्टर है. उससे पहले मैं खुद की सपोर्टर.
अच्छा, ओके.
मैं खुद की फेवरेट हूँ जैसे कोई
ओके. ट्रेलर देखने के बाद एक सवाल हर कोई पूछ रहा है ट्विटर पे कि क्या नेशनल अवार्ड आने वाला है इस बार?
पता नहीं, जवाब मिलेगा जब
he's
अनाउंस.
a very deserving candidate and it should come.
It
I'll
should.
be surprised if he doesn't get it.
My question to you, Rajkumar, that after Shrikant you have Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. I just wanted to ask कि is it somehow related to Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Okay, so just wanted to there's a fun fact.
Yeah.
There's a similarity between Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Shrikant Bola. Do you know?
There's similarity.
हाँ.
They
उनका
play cricket.
बर्थडे सेम डेट
हाँ,
को आता है on 7th of July.
अच्छा वो
Yeah.
13.
Thala, Thala.
Shrikant is 13 July.
13th
तो
July.
7
Tushar
July.
and Shrikant see
7 July
No,
1991.
it's
13.
Shrikant.
Shrikant and
No,
Tushar
it's
share
7.
birthday.
इंटरनेट पे 7th है उसका.
अच्छा, I think वो
Internet.
गलत लिखा है.
इंटरनेट पे
Check
गलत
it.
है.
हाँ, क्योंकि this is a discussion that we have a lot. We must clear this with Shrikant.
But anyways, let's keep it for
Yeah.
7th now.
Let's
हाँ.
keep it for 7th now क्योंकि महेंद्र सिंह धोनी उनका था
Correct,
for a reason.
correct, correct,
And
correct.
also Mr. and Mrs. Mahi 31st को रिलीज हो रही है.
Correct.
श्रीकांत 10th को रिलीज हो रही है. So
Hmm.
if you do some calculation, 31 minus 10 is equals to 21, which is 7 into 3 equals to 21. So 5
Oh.
tips and tricks fifth film will
Wow,
blow.
how did you
Full
arrive at this, man?
I don't know. I was
This
just
is some
full
serious
Christopher Nolan happening here.
तो मैं कल रात
Are you real?
मैं
Or are
बोर
you
हो
like
रहा. Okay, so Last question, then we'll move to a
Hmm.
quick rapid fire round. Shrikant scored 98% in
Yeah.
12th. तो आपका कितना 12th में?
98 के आसपास ही था बस 63
I scored 60%. वो
मेरे
भी
भी I think
59.9.
63,
12th I got
इससे कुछ था।
89%.
Wow.
89 ये पढ़ने
क्योंकि
वाले
वो खुद के फेवरेट थे ना, तो उनको
Yeah,
खुद को
correct,
अच्छा
correct,
करना था
correct,
कि
correct.
Okay, so a quick rapid fire round and then we'll wrap it up. First question to you, Rajkumar. Out of the four, choose one, the most fun you had while shooting your upcoming films. Shrikant Bola, Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, 3-2 and Vicky Vidya ka wo wala.
See, when it comes to fun, of course, Shrikant is a very challenging character
yeah.
for me.
Yes.
So I was very much into the character while
Okay.
filming. So if you see the fun from like very conventional fun mode, I would say it's 3 because
Okay.
for the
Yeah.
reason because we did one together. So all of us knew each other so well, and so it was like
That
a
camaraderie is
reunion.
there.
Yeah.
And I'm also really excited for the cameo of Bhedia. And I think
Is
वो
it
है
there?
ना,
पता नहीं, मैं तो आपको पूछ
मतलब
रहा हूँ।
3-1 में तो उसके भेड़िया में तो दिखाया है कि
हाँ, भेड़िया में तो हम हैं, मैं हूँ, पर स्त्री में भेड़िया है कि ये पता नहीं, आपको पता है क्या?
कॉन्फिडेंशियल है क्या?
अच्छा, पता नहीं,
Okay.
आपकी मैथ्स लगाओ ना थोड़ा।
Okay. Your favorite co-actor, choose one. आलिया, जानवी, श्रद्धा और तृप्ति.
ये कैसी
ये
बात है
मुश्किल
यार?
वाले सवाल है
ये कैसी
यार.
बात है यार?
आप बता सकते हो कि किसके साथ मजा आया होगा?
ये कैसी बात
मैं
है?
तो बोलूंगी अलाया मेरी पिक्चर से पर
हाँ,
Smart.
जिस प्रोड्यूसर को बोलोगे वो अपनी एक्टर का नाम लेगा।
Okay. If not him, who would have done justice to this role?
नो वन पॉसिबल नहीं था.
If you have to pick one.
Not possible. You can't imagine anybody else.
I
doing
can't,
this.
यार, I can't take someone's name and not take someone's name, ना, मतलब it's unfair. यार.
Cool. Fair enough.
But I would have loved to see how an Irfan sir or a Manoj sir what kind of take they would have on a character like this.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Movie which you liked in 2024 till now?
लापता
चमकीला, लापता
I was
ladies.
expecting that answer
Yeah.
क्योंकि आपने अभी एक recent interview में कहा
हाँ,
भी कि
लापता ladies, चमकीला 12th fail was this year, no?
No, 12th fail wasn't this year. It
Last
was
year.
last year.
No, in January only, na?
December.
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 Last year. Okay. So this year amongst the Hindi films, Lapata Ladies, Chamkila,
Oh, great film.
and Premalu I saw. I'm looking forward to watch Avishan, Fahad's film.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So this is a mathematical question again. Tan square theta plus 1 equals to?
Sex
Sex
square
square theta.
Okay. So thank you so much, Rajkumar. Thank you so much,
Thank
Nidhi.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
This was all. Stay tuned and till then stay filmy. This is me, Rishi Pathak, signing out.
वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमें लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।